bad energy, bad blood, whatever. I have to fix this. Guess what? Jenny works for me. You can't.
Well, this will be a capacitor introduction and then a vacuum cleaner jobby. I got a couple of capacitors, so don't know what they're rating. A 400, B 460 and C is 580. Don't know what that exact means, but I'm going to use it for rotary. So here I got a few of these, and it's probably, I've got a bag full of these here. That's not bad. And I got a box with a couple more, so I got about 100 of these. They came out of a big lighting plant for a sports stadium, and they will become obsolete because they were replaced with other capacitors. They had a few blow-ups, so I can probably utilize these or pop them, whatever. And I scored a nice 24 volt alternator I want to use for an experiment as well. So that's the blurb for today. So yeah, that will be used at some stage. But now I have to do the vacuum cleaner audit, and I'll show you what it is. This is another B2224 I acquired. I found in the bin. It's even complete with the outreach, so I may fit it somewhere. So let's have a look upstairs. Well, the weather is splendid today. It's about 20 degrees. Lucky is watching me. Hey, Lucas, hello. He's watching me. And the vacuum cleaner is full. And I'll show you can reuse these bags a few more times if you want. The receptacle is actually full now, and people normally throw the bag away, but I'll recycle them at least 2 or 3 times before they get thrown out. Saves you a few dollars, plus you can do an audit at the same time. So the good thing is, while doing an audit like this, is also you can check if things have disappeared in the vacuum. And then, yeah, oh, that's the wrong one. I need to operate this device here. There you go. And we're going to take the dust out of the vacuum cleaner. A bit of wind. So we'll probably get a bit of wastage, but it doesn't matter because we're outside. So we'll start plucking and we'll see what happens. Oh, this is so good. I think you can take the whole bag out, that's easier probably. I'll get the camera on a close-up. And we'll see what this is going to reveal today. Oh, this bag has been done in May and in March. Oh, it's half a year old, so it's not bad. 19.3, 15.5, and it's on in July somewhere too. The important thing is you stay with your face out of the dust. Is going the right way, so a pair of these long nose pliers is ideal, and then you can just systematically empty all this out of the device. It's amazing. We got 5 cats at home, so there will be lots of hairs from our cats in here. Get other stuff, and it's amazing what you find here. There we go, a ping pong ball, a bouncy ball that got wasted, so that's already good save there. I can reuse that again somewhere else. I'll just do a quick check on the camera and see if it's still in focus. Stand by. Do a quick cut here. Oh, it goes alright. I'll relocate the camera. So this is a saving already. We found this ball in here and we plucked the rest out. Takes about 5 minutes. I may edit something out of this video, I'm not sure. I won't grab the whole lot and you get the works. The beginning is the easy part. At the end it's a bit harder because you end up with the straps which are in these bags as well. And then you need to do the puff puff to get the rest out of the device. Look at this. So awesome. In the name of science, it's very good to do an analysis. I'm sure there will be hidden bugs in here as well. Whatever things live in the house, but I don't really give a tush. As long as you wash your hands afterwards. massive amount of stuff comes out of these things. It's just amazing what a vacuum cleaner actually does. Oh boy. I find even complete socks, even complete undies in the vacuum cleaner sometimes. It's just all absorbed into the device. Quick look at the camera, we're still in focus. Hopefully, let's check. Please. This is so cool. Almost better than blowing up TVs. Almost, not really, but it's getting close. Yeah, these are the annoying things. You got these bloody belts in here to hold the bag together, I guess. But we'll get all the plus out of this thing. And the hairs, the domestic hairs from the wife and stuff, and the daughter and whatever. This is just a dust heaven, absolute dust heaven. So yeah, those capacitors, as I talked about earlier on, they come from some big light installation by a sports complex, and they had a few capacitors gone bang, so they put different capacitors in. So they decided to take them all out, and they're going to get thrown away. So I was at the right place at the right time. So yeah, I can use them maybe for the rotary converters for stabilizing the voltage a bit better. It's actually a bit more windy than I thought. This must be one of the dustiest videos on YouTube, but hey, we live in a silly part of the world, so we might as well share the knowledge, money saving here. This is really the Economizer 12, I'll call this. Shake, shake, shake. There's cat crackers in it too, of course. Last time I found 2 roller bearings in the vacuum. Hey, there you go. That's a clip for the washing line. I've been wasted otherwise. Camera on face for a second. The yield is amazing on these things. Look how much yielding I'm doing here. It's always interesting, vacuum cleaners, the stuff in it is always grey. I don't know why, it always comes out grey. Oh. Well, this bag has been recycled 4 times. Nearly there. I feel the bag is nearly empty. Last dust. Granulous, there's a lot of granulous in it too. It's like a treasure trove. It's an absolute treasure trove. Okay, that's nearly it. So the yield was one bouncy ball, one washing line peg, and a bag full of dust. And I have to clean this out quickly and take the dust filter out as well. Clean that up as well at the same time, the dust filter. So yeah, I'll give it a test. Last bit of dust. Oh, looks so good. And then it goes back into service in the device. And I'll give it a suction test and see how it works. Beauty, done. Okay, I'm going to energize the device and it should work. Now suction is successful. But I hate the sound of vacuums, so I de-energize this vacuum device now. Supervision from our cat Ali. Alish, push push! Oh, look at those eyes. It's our other rectux number 2.